Hey guys, ZaidProductions here, and in this video I'm taking a look at the Honeywell Quietset for Personal Oscillating Tower Fan. This was $25 on Amazon, and the link is down in the description below to purchase. Quiet, compact cooling, easy to use controls, auto off timer option, and there's 4 different levels. Power cool, refresh, white noise, and sleep. This is the HTF210B model number. And on the side, here's a bunch of text. You guys can pause and read if you want. This side, it's in Spanish. And on the back, there's a blueprint of it. Easy carry handle, DC motor, oscillates, 4 cooling levels, easy to use controls, auto off timer, and a sturdy base. There's some product support information down there too. How it works on the top. More product support on the inside of the box too, their email and phone number. The first thing you're greeted by is the wall plug with the DC cable. Here's the voltage and wattage information. DCN to plug into the fan. Then there's the actual fan itself and an instruction manual inside. This is 16 inches tall. Also, I want to mention that I was just looking at this fan on Amazon and they took it down for some reason, but there's still the 2-pack, which is $80. So yes, it's double the price, which doesn't make any sense, but I'll still leave down a link for that if you guys want to buy that. Here's the base. There's 4 rubber pads. On the bottom is the DC plug-in. And for those wondering, this doesn't have a battery, it needs to be plugged in constantly. There's a little fan inside. Here's the instruction manual. And here's the fan itself. Now the rest of this video is just going to be a test of the fan. You guys can get a feel for how loud it is and all the different modes. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day. The link is down in the description to purchase.